Back to today's video. So on this channel I want to actually teach you guys how to place a buy order. How to place a buy order. Yeah, a future trader don't know how to place a buy order. The particular point to place a buy order now on this video, all I need from you is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and lastly I want you to actually focus, right? Focus on this video. Learn how to place a buy order, learn how to place a buy order, right? And learn how to actually set your stop loss. So everything you are going to learn in this video is going to be very important if you are a future trader, right? So in today's video I'm actually using Binance to actually sign up and to actually do this video, right? So if you want to actually have account on Binance, I want you to go to the description of this video and click the link, register with the link, because that link is a special link for you to actually go direct to the Binance platform and go and sign up, right? Because there are actually scammers around. So you need to actually use the link in the description of the video to sign up, right? So with that, let's go on for today's tutorial. So guys, I'll be giving you two signals and two trades I'm currently on and still on profit, right? So I'll be giving you, one is mask and one is SNM, right? So I'm giving you that. First of all, I'm going to actually use this signal to actually explain how to buy and how to take your profit. So now let's go there. So guys, when you come to the Binance features is where you can actually place a trade, right? Is where you can actually place a trade. So if you want to go to the Binance features, you have to actually click here. Here you are actually going to see the Binance features to place a trade, right? Of course, you can't place a trade without not seeing the chart, right? We want to actually know the level where the market is, the level where the market is trying to go. We want to actually see the chart, right? We want to actually see the chart where the market is actually heading to actually follow the market and know the next move on the market. So with that, let's stay tuned to me, guys. And if you have not yet subscribed, please, I would like you to actually subscribe, because in this video I'm going to teach you a very important topic. Turn on the notification bell and like this video, right? Now, the first thing we will be focusing on when we come to chart, what are the things we need to focus on? We need to focus on three things. One is the past, two is the present, then three is the future, right? We want to see what happened at the past, then what is happening in the present, and what will happen in the future, right? So these are psychology that we need to actually use when we come to chart like this. So guys, remember to like this video to show your support, right? So what are the things we see in the chart? What are the things we see in the chart, right? Now let's go for 4-hour time frame. We want to actually go for 4-hour time frame, right? Now we start retracement. Retracement always happen in the market. Retracement always happen in this market, and the market is on a particular zone that it always happen, right? Now let me check this out, for example, right? Now we actually move an uptrend in the market. Actually want to go down, move an uptrend in the market, go up, and we start coming down before actually retracing back to the market. Of course, this is the retracement in the 4-hour time frame, right? This is a retracement in the 4-hour time frame, in the sense that the pink line and the yellow line join together, right? You can actually see it here, right? Okay, sorry guys. So this is a retracement. Let me draw it for you guys. This is a retracement. Okay, we actually move up to the market, move up, come down, move up, come down. Now this is an important key zone, because is a two double top. So we are actually going to call this a VWAP, right? if you're actually going to look at it on the other way, you are going to see that this is a VWAP, right? And the next thing you are going to see in the market is okay, now this is another important zone. We actually break up coming down to this level, right, before actually boosting back to this level, and now we are down. Now let's catch the market over here. Right here we have the limit, like right here we have this, right, because this point is where the market go up and come down. So at this level is just like a resistance and a strong zone where we actually need to mark before the market actually head up. Now the next thing we are actually going to mark is this zone over here, right? We are actually going to mark this zone over here because that is the next level that the market took to actually be on that particular level. So you can see that the market go up, come down, go up, come down. So on this level, this is the level you are going to mark, and this downtrend you are going to mark. Okay, now the market is touch this zone, okay, touch this uptrend here. Now it's down. We are actually going to see more retracement in the market, right? I'm actually waiting to see more retracement in the market back to this zone, or we are actually going to go more above to that zone, right? So this is what is currently happening with power time frame, right? And this is what I'm actually predicting. Of course, this is what I'm actually predicting. In the past, it goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. Now it's just that VWAP, right? This VWAP is created here before actually regaining back strength to the market. So I'm actually waiting to see more strength to the market. So let's zoom into the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame. This is very important topic, guys. You don't have to miss this, right? You don't have to miss this. Now after seeing this, you want to go to 1 hour time frame to follow the chart, make profit in the chart. Now the first thing we are going to look for is, since you are on the 1 hour time frame, you have to actually see the past. The past is going to actually determine the market for us. Right now we see that the past, each time we actually touch, each time we actually break down to this zone, right, we have this zone here, we have this zone here. I'm marking these orders because this is a buying pressure. This is the buying pressure. So each time you see a stick comes down and a green stick go up, you are going to actually mark that zone right as a buying pressure. Now once you see the stick, another stick up, right, once you see another stick up and another stick up, buy that market. See the market for buy, right? Let your stop loss be or this limit, right, this recent down level, then move the market up wayward, right? You are going to actually make profit on this, right? This is a nice, very good tutorial that you don't want to miss. Okay, so let's mark again. This is a buying pressure, right? This is a buying pressure. This seems to repeat all over and over again. So that's why you actually need to know where to actually buy, where to actually sell. So we are actually using this to know what is going to happen in the present, and where we currently are in the present, right? Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? So after buying, you are going to actually see what is going to happen in the future. So pay attention. This is a very lovely topic, right? So we are actually go down, creating a buy pressure. You are actually going to see that this level down here is the level where we actually break down, right? Is the level where we actually break down, right? Now you can actually see that this recent low did not actually touch this line here, right? Did not actually touch this line here, right? Now the recent low boosts up again, comes down again, another buying opportunity, goes up again. Now the trend is very simple. What you have to do is to just analyze this market as it is, right? This is a good buying pressure, a good buying pressure, and a good buying pressure. So now the market goes up, bounce is actually retracing back to the market again. So this is why we actually need to pay attention to what is coming up in the market. A buying pressure, a buying pressure here, a buying pressure here, a buying pressure here, right? Before actually seeing a retracement. And after putting that buying pressure, right, which actually underline that as a zone, right, as a zone where the market can actually retrace. If the market actually coming back to that can actually retrace, right, we're actually going to see the recent buying pressures. Okay, the recent buying pressures is here, the recent buying pressure is here, the recent buying pressure is here, and now this is the another buying pressure we underline here. Now, since the market have touched here, we actually see a way more retracement up to the upside in the market, right? Because this is what you're actually seeing. This is what you're actually seeing in the market. This is a structure, right? Once you understand what happened in the past, use it to know what is currently happening, then use what is currently happening to know what is going to come up in the future. It's very simple. Trading is very simple. Let me teach another thing, right? Now you can actually see that history repeats itself, right? History repeats itself, right? You can actually see the same movement that this happened in the recent is still happening now. If you can actually pay more attention to what is coming up in the crypto market on this market. Of course, this here is mask slash USDT, mask slash USDT. If you want to actually trade it after analyzing this market, you can actually go and trade it, right? So I want you to actually pay attention each time you actually see this signal. Remember to use it in the market, right? Each time we see this signal and the season repeats itself, and if this repeats, so guys, if this repeats itself, right, we see more significant move to the market. That means since it is repeating here, we must see more significant move to the market, right? One thing about this is that it has low risk, right? Low risk. Of course, we are actually putting our stop loss here, and over here you can actually see our stop loss, which is this down level, and this one too you can actually see the stop loss, this down level. So the next thing is to actually form the market, guys. You see what is coming in the market, you see the past, you know the present, then we can tell the future, right? This is a simple strategy. Let no one deceive you, guys. Now, after marking the buying pressures, which we have here, right? We have another buying pressure here, another buying pressure here. Now, one of the things that, okay, you can actually see it here. So guys, let me be marking the zones for you guys. Buying pressure, of course, that is very underlined, and another buying pressure. So each time we see this key, we move into buy, right? And of course, if you're actually using this buying pressure over here, if this is another buying pressure, but it's actually break down to the market. So if you're using this buying pressure, I'm going to actually teach you another trick you can actually use to actually follow the market. I'm going to teach another trick. So what you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I give you those tricks or when I upload those videos. So this is all for me for today's video. If you know you like this video, I want you to actually subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. Of course, if you want to get started on future trading, you can actually sign up in the link in the description of this video. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. You can sign up on Binance or you can sign up on gate.io. For now, I'm going to say peace out. I'm going to see you in my next video.